getting your electrolytes back into you.
Mm-hmm. I have to drink something when I go home. But yeah, I will send you the link to what I get. And it's heavily concentrated. Mm-hmm.
So I wanted to put it into buns, but I think that this style here might be a little better than the buns.
Okay.
Or should I say different?
I trust it. It's a different hairstyle. No. Do you have an extra one?
Yep.
Okay, good. It's always good to carry like 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then the charger itself, like, I've learned that. Oh, because they will go out quickly.
Yes, they do.
Whew.
That's why I use different cameras.
Smart.
Yeah, do different stuff. Okay. We're going to go under the dryer.
Okay. Curly. Ew. You little curly head. That curls. The curls is gonna give it 90 Sailor Moon realness. What was that you sprayed?
Water. The tea tree over there.
Oh yeah. I was like, it smells good. Tea tree smells so good. I like the tingliness that it has on the scalp. fact that there's so many oils is just so astounding to me, and the different effects and properties that they have.
Mm-hmm.
Like, okay, Earth, do your thing.
Yes. Mother Earth Gaia.
Oh, yeah. I love calling Earth Gaia. I love that name just in general.
Mm-hmm.
Aya is a part of my middle name.
Really?
Yeah, my middle name, which is supposed to be my first name, but like Quarles, Ashaya or Achaia is also a biblical name. It's a place,
Mm-hmm.
and then the people there are named Chaldeans.
Mm.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be true.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
I know about the Chaldeans.
Oh, what do you know about them?
Yeah, they are very magicians.
Ooh.
Culture, sorcerers, magicians, mages, sages.
That is so funny because my mama has a lot of like magic within her, but she tends to downplay it and push it aside, but it
Mm-hmm.
comes out. She's a Jehovah's Witness, and I'm
Mm-hmm.
just like, you cannot push down what is naturally inside of you.
Mm-hmm.
She calls it witchcraft, but it's not.
It's really not. It's spiritual technology.
Mhm.
I don't call it the W word no more. I used to when I didn't understand it, but the more I understand it, the more I understood science.
Right. I think it's a
Some
fun
people
little
have a natural.
thing.
Some people have a natural inclination towards the light or the dark side,
Mhm.
depending on where your spirit came from,
Yeah.
your soul's journey.
It can go either. It can be seen as a positive thing or a negative thing.
Depending on the perspective.
It's probably my mom sees it as like a negative thing.
But religion will kind of push you into that mindset. But the witch doctor and the medicine man,
Mhm.
they're doing the same thing that the evangelist is doing. They just initiated on different sides of the element.
Yeah. They're viewed very differently.
I think that's the reason why a lot of the disciples, the ones that were really deep into healing people,
Mhm.
they had grimoires.
Oh, love a good grimoire.
Yeah, Paul had a grimoire, Peter had a grimoire. They
They
had to
don't call them
understand.
that.
Yeah, they had to understand what it was that they was talking to or who. And so they had to have a guide to show you how to do different things. And I think as you're talking to angels, if you have guides that help you in this lifetime, they assist you with doing certain stuff. It's the same thing. It's just doing it of the light or doing it of the darkness.
Mhm.
The light is trying to heal people. The darkness is trying to enslave people.
Right. That is what my soul is fighting against.
Mm-hmm. You have to.
Sometimes tirelessly, and I gotta remember, hey, physical body.
Mm-hmm. That's part of the challenge of being a medium.
Yeah.
You being able to channel both the light and the dark. And
Mhm.
they're two sides of the same coin.
Yeah. For sure.
That's why whenever you're learning and you're growing, and when you're initiated, you have to know balance.
Mm.
So your ancestors will start teaching you about balance.
Mm. I know a lot about balance. Is that I have to like get this energy like pushed out, or I'm going to be really antsy, and they know that. So it's just like, all right, they'll have me do whatever it takes to get the energy out, and then they'll give me like a rest and relaxation period.
Mm.
So they'll give me that grace. Sometimes I have to go hard.
So
Yeah?